Hello, sir. How can I help you? Or would you like to buy a train ticket to California? Okay. Which class do you want? First class or second class? Well, I would like to buy the first class ticket. Do you want it singular or return? I will return back. So I want it return. Okay. Just give me a moment. Well, here's is your ticket. It's cost $40. Okay, here you are. Sir, I want to know which platform is the train on and when does it leave and arrive? Well, just give me a moment. Okay, platform number 2. It leaves at 6:30 p.m. and it will take 3 hours to be there. Okay, that's very good. Thank you so much. You're the most welcome. Have a nice day.